think Barre is just for dancers. This low-impact workout is actually a secret weapon for weight loss and chronic pain management. Recent studies reveal Barre exercises can dramatically boost core strength while being gentle on your joints. The magic lies in its unique combination of bullet-inspired movements and isometric holds, which keep muscles engaged for extended periods. Unlike high-impact workouts, Barre's controlled movements help protect joints while building lean muscle mass, making it particularly beneficial for those with arthritis or similar conditions. The workouts focus on small, precise movements activates deep core muscles often missed in traditional exercises, leading to improved posture and stability. A 2016 study found participants who practiced Barre 3 times weekly saw significant improvements in core strength and body composition within 8 weeks. Best of all, exercises can be modified to suit any fitness level or physical limitation. Curious about how Barre could transform your fitness journey? Drop a comment sharing your biggest workout challenge.